May tao, may tao. May tao, may tao. May tao, may tao. Tayo, tayo. Okay, okay, we're here. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Chantal. What's your surname? What's your full name? Okay, you just calm down. We were going to help you, okay? Okay, okay. Tulungan niyo. Okay, you cooperate with us. Careful, careful. You go with them. Uy, mag-ready ka na pagkain dyan. Okay, you go there, Chantal. On the open area. There, you wear your slippers. Bigyan niyo ng pagkain. You eat. You just wear that. Kainin. You eat first. Chantal, you eat. Yung isang squad mag-scour. Mag-scour yung isang squad. Baka may mga, alam pa doon dyan, may mga baril-baril or kung ano man.
Dito lang. Clear naman na doon. Dito lang banda. Dito lang kami dyan. Ha? Umakit sa kanila. Umakit ko na.
Doon, nakuhan ko na doon.
Doon banda. Pinuntahan mo na din.
Ba't ka napunta dito, Chantal? Why did you come here?
Not really my boyfriend.
He's a what?
Fling.
Fling? Why did he take you here? In Mindoro? What's his purpose?
Clear natin. Ikutan lang natin.
Ha?
Where he's from.
His family? If you don't trust him, then why did you come with him?
I thought I could trust him, but he didn't treat me well for his family.
You tell us the truth. We're trying to help you, so you better tell us the truth, okay? Why did you come here?
I'm embarrassed.
Why? What are you embarrassed about?
I came here for a boy when I should have been with my family.
Okay, it's okay. You eat first, you eat.
Ikutan natin.
So, you came here December 27, ever since you were here na. So,
I was with his family, and then
when did you go here?
January 31st.
December 31st?
When I ran away.
December 31st? You ran away from him?
No, January 1st. Because it was the morning when we got into a fight. And so I thought I could just walk away. But I got lost. I got lost here.
Nalikod na.
Do you have cell phone in you?
Ito yung lagayan niya sa nakuha doon.
Sama na po yung natin.
Doon sa kanya, butas na.
You have your cell phone with you?
Ando pa yung cellphone.
Hanapin siya.
Wala. I-check niyo daw.
Wala doon. Itahan.
This picture, is this you?
That picture is me.
And your name is?
Chantal Anicoche.
Okay. So this is Chantal Anicoche.
Baka may baril dyan.
Is this you, Chantal, in the picture?
Yes. What is that picture?
Is this you in the picture? Pakita mo yung picture. Pakita mo.
Hindi nakita niya ako na.
What's that picture about?
On the picture, is that you in the picture? Chantal Anicoche?
But I don't know what that is.
We're just trying to your identity, if that's much on the picture.
Eudora.
You want rice? We have rice here. Rice.
Bagulan.
Yes.
Bigyan niyo.
Kanin.
Marunong niya matagal. Yung delatan niya. Yung delatan niya tapos isang kanin. Sabag ko, Noy. Kunin mo, Noy. Meron din ako, Noy.